back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to make your Ewedu known as Molokhia. So these Molokhia leaves are full and packed with lots of vitamins. It is rich in fiber, it lowers your LDL cholesterol, it eliminates toxins from your body. It also is rich in potassium, vitamin A, C, B6, and iron. It also aids in lowering your blood pressure levels. Did you know that Molokhia is also known as Jute Mallow or sorrel for West Africa, or even okra leaves? And it's reputable to be a sleep and digestion aid. It also improves your eyesight and boosts your body immune system, predominantly eaten in West Africa and Asia. Usually greens are really good for you, so if you want, you could make your research. They are very healthy. And this one is actually frozen and it's minced. There are some that are whole, but this one I got is frozen and it's minced. So this particular one, you'd have to keep it in the freezer. I had it already out of the freezer, so it's thawed, and if you press on it, you see that it's very mushy. So I'm going to go ahead and use a scissors and cut it open, and you see how it looks inside. Voila! So this is how it looks. It's really green. And it has been minced, and it's a little bit gooey because it's slimy, kind of like okra, but it's leafy. I'm going to show you other ingredients you would need. So this is a simple style Molokhia or Ewedu soup. I'm going to be using this cube soupy. I don't really like it that much because I feel it's not really tasty, but because I don't want the salt content to be high, that's why I'm going for this particular one. You would need your pot. I have my pot here. You would need like a quarter cup of water. So I'm just going to pour a quarter cup of water inside the pot. And today I'm using Iru. This Iru is called locust. This is actually not the container it came in. I just poured it inside here. Let me do a close-up. You can see how it is. It's a bit seedy, but it's actually very soft. So this one has really fermented very well, and I keep it in the fridge. It actually stinks, I tell you. That's why I did not even scoop it into a little container, because I can't even stand it, really. But once it incorporates into the soup, it's not so bad. It's really nice and yummy. I learned that in the olden days in Africa, this is what they used as their seasoning. Well, some communities, right? So I'm going to open it up so you can see how it looks inside. Take a look at that. This is nice. My mom likes Iru a lot, and it makes a lot of difference, like in your cooking. So I'm just going to scoop like 2 spoons. The smell is actually not that pleasant. So I have 2 spoons scooped. I'm just going to cover it up before my family begins to complain about the smell. Anyway, so you're going to take your cube and you're just going to add it to it. So this style is actually a very simple style, and why I make it that simple is because I'm going to have it served with stew. So if I was to serve it alone, it's a different method altogether. So watch out for another video I'm going to upload on how to make it, like, you know, with all the ingredients and all that. So this is just a simple style. Sometimes you don't even have to put anything that much. So I'm not going to add any salt. I'm just going to leave this locust bean as the, you know, salt, so to speak. So I'm going to let this one boil a little before I go ahead to add this one. So guys, it's boiling. I have the locust bean and the seasoning. I'm just going to go ahead. I snipped this. I'm just going to go ahead and pour this in. You can see that goo. It's really slimy. So I'm going to go ahead and pour in all the whole pack. So pretty much everything is inside. So my advice would be that at this point you'd use a fork, not a spoon, just to stir it in order to incorporate all the other ingredients. If you want, you can add salt, but I didn't want to add that because I put the locust bean. You can see the locust bean is not like showing so much, just a little. You have to keep stirring, because if you leave it on, it could boil and then it will just spill over. So you have to try to keep an eye on it, just like okra, so that it doesn't spill and splash on your stove. And because it's a leafy green, you don't have to stay for it to overcook. So I'm just going to let it boil a little, just like I do for my okra, and I'll set it aside, and it's already very, very easy. In 5 minutes you're done. In 5 minutes you're done. It's very, very easy. So guys, you can see it's done boiling nicely. It's already done. It's already cooked. If you want, you can add like dry pepper or fresh pepper in yours, but I'm just making mine simple style. I'm going to show you what you can eat it with. Like you can eat it with poundo yam, your swallow. Some people even just take it like this. Some eat it with rice, but I cannot eat it with rice. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys serving suggestion. So guys, this is the final look. This is a serving suggestion. I have it with poundo yam, with salmon fish, Titus fish, and a little bit of stew. So this is how you cook it. You could just dip your hand in here and just cut it a little bit like that. And oh, if you want, you can use a cutlery, but I like it going down this way. That was really yummy. Thank you guys for staying with me. So this is the end of the video. Kindly like, share, subscribe, and leave me a comment. I'll see you next time in my other videos. Bye.